Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Scala onto your Mac. So before installing Scala, so you need to make sure to install Java onto your system. So to check if you have already installed Java onto your system or not, you can just open terminal. So just go into the Spotlight source and search for terminal and just type java hyphen version, and if it shows something like the operation couldn't be completed, then the Java is not installed into your system. So now to install Java onto your system, just go to your favorite browser and search for download Java JDK and just go to this first link from oracle.com. So just click here, and here you will be able to see the option for downloading the JDK 20 or JDK 17. So I would recommend you to go with the Java 17 because it is the long-term support version, so it is the LTS version. So just go into this JDK 17, just go with the Mac OS, and here so we just need to download this DMG installer. So just go with the ARM64 DMG installer. So let me just click on save. So this should download the DMG file for installing the Java. So once this is downloaded, let me just go into the Finder, and if I just double click onto this DMG file and double click onto this package, so this should open the installer. So let me just click on continue, just click on install, enter the password of your Mac and just click enter. So this should now start the installation of Java JDK. So here you can see the installation is successful. So let me just close this one and just move this installer into the trash, so we don't need it anymore. And if I again go to the terminal and just type java version, so you can see the Java 17 has been successfully installed into our system. So once the Java is installed, so we need to install the Scala as well. So for that, again go to the browser and search for Scala and just go to this first link from scalalang.org. so this is the official website for Scala programming, and here you just need to click on get started. So if you just scroll down, so you can see so how you can install the Scala onto your computer. So since I'm using the Apple Silicon, so I will click for alternatively for Apple Silicon. So we just need to copy this one. So let me just click here to copy this command and go to the terminal, and if I just paste inside here and click enter, so this should now start installing the Scala. So just type Y and just click enter. So here you can see the Scala has been successfully installed. So once this is done, just type command and N to open the new tab of terminal, because this should have operated on the environment variable as well. So if you just type Scala version and just type enter, so you can see the Scala code runner version 3.3.0 has been successfully installed. So similarly, just type Scala C for Scala compiler version, so just type enter. So this should show Scala compiler version 3.3.0 also has been successfully installed. So here you can see the Scala and the Scala compiler has been successfully installed. So once this is done, so we need to make sure to install one of the IDE as well. So in my case, so I will be installing the IntelliJ. So for that, again go to the browser and search for IntelliJ. So just go to this first link from jetbrains.com and just go into this download. So just click on download, and if you just scroll down, so you will be able to see the IntelliJ community edition. So since I am doing it for the MacBook M1, so I will go with the Apple Silicon. So if you are doing it for the Intel, so just go with the Intel. So let me just click on download. So this should download the DMG file for installing the IntelliJ. So just click on save. So the DMG file is downloaded. So let me just show in Finder, and if I just double click onto this DMG again and drag and drop this into the application, so this should now install the IntelliJ as well. So you can see this, so this is copying to the applications. So once this is done, let me just close everything from here, and if I just go into the launchpad, and you can already see the IntelliJ idea, so just click on that. So this should open the IntelliJ, and let me just close everything from here. So just click on open. So here you can see the welcome phase for IntelliJ idea. So before creating the new project of Scala, so we need to make sure to install one of the plugins, which is called Scala. So let me just go into the plugins here and go into the marketplace, and you just need to search for Scala. So just click on install. So this should now install the Scala plugin into our IntelliJ IDE. So we just need to restart the IDE. So just click on restart. So once you restart the IDE, so if you just click on new project, so on new project, so you will be able to see the language Scala here. So you can see the Scala, and you can just give the name something like hello world. So this is the first project I'm creating, and here so the Java JDK 17 which we have just installed, so it has already detected the version of JDK. And in case of Scala, so since we have installed the version 3.0, so you can just choose the latest one, which is 3.1.3 as well, or you can just go with the latest Scala version which you have available. And once you do that, so just click on create. So this should now create the Scala project into our IntelliJ IDE. So it seems like everything has been updated. So let me just close this one, and you can see, so this is the project. And if you just click inside this source and inside the main, so there is a Scala class called main. So to run this program, you can just right click onto this main.scala. So you just you can just right click randomly anywhere in the page, and you can see this run main. So just click here. So this should now run this hello world program. So if you're not able to see this program, so you can just manually type as well. So at the bottom you can see the output hello world. So this is how you can write your first Scala project onto your Mac. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.